Wednesday, 18th of March, 2026. Maybe 50, low 50s. Edgefield County, South Carolina. We're going to see about this. That key bridge is down there. The walking bridge part is collapsed as well. I don't know if this is the direction down there to it. We're going to walk down through here a little ways and see. Don't know if this is a control. Yeah, this looks like a control fire, but I'm not sure of that. I don't know if this is going to take us to that bridge or not. So we'd have to back out from right here. We wouldn't have anywhere to turn around. This van is longer than our other van. I think this is a national forest road, but we don't have a good enough connection to even zoom in on the map and see what it is, where we are. The girl was supposed to be taking us to the Modoc Bridge, and she pulled a sneaky on us. Yes, there's nowhere to even turn around so far. We'd have to back all the way out of here. We might be able to turn around right here, but it'd be tight. Like I said, this van is almost 2 feet longer than our other van. Okay, we could turn around right here. We ought to be almost back to that bridge. Look at all the well, dead end. There's that bridge. This must be the parking area for it. Okay, well, let's turn this one off. How long is it? This is 6 minutes. Seems like longer than that, doesn't it?